In today's class, we will solve a pair of linear equations in two variables x and y with the method of elimination. So we have an example 2x plus 3y is 13, 5x plus 4y 22. A pair of linear equations in two variables x and y, and we will use the method of elimination to solve this pair of equations. So we will also understand how the method of elimination works. It is class 10 NCERT syllabus. So let us look at equation number 1. 2x plus 3y is 13, equation 1. 5x plus 4y, equation 2. Here in the first equation, look at the coefficient of x, that is 2. Coefficient of y, 3. Here again, coefficient of x is 5 and coefficient of y is 4. So all the coefficients are different. So what I will do is I will make the coefficient of x equal in both the equations. Here it is 2 and here it is 5. So I will make the coefficients equal in both 1 and 2. And how I will do it? First I will take the LCM of the coefficient of 2 and 5. 2 and 5 is 10. So I will multiply the first equation by 5. So multiplying 1 by 5, we get 5 into 2x plus 5 into 3y is 5 into 13, which implies 10x plus 15y is 65. Let us say it is equation number 3. Then again, for equation number 2, we will multiply this equation by 2. So multiplying by 2, we get 2 into 5x, 2 into 4y, 2 into 22. So that means it is 10x plus 8y is equal to 44. This is equation number 4. So now we have 4 equations, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the coefficient of x is 10 in equation 3 and again 10 in equation 4. So what we can do now is we can subtract one equation from the other, and that will eliminate the variable x from both the equations. We just have to subtract the equation 3 and 4, one from the other, and the variable x will be eliminated. So 15. So 3 minus 4 results in 10x plus 15y minus 10x plus 8y 65 minus 44. We subtract the left hand side, so we subtract the right hand side also. So that simply means 10x 15y is 10x minus 8y. Minus into plus, minus 8y. 65 minus 44, how much? 21. So this cancels out, eliminated. So 15y minus 8y is 7y is equal to 21. Hence y is 21 by 7, which is equal to 3. So y is equal to 3. So we got the value of y. Now substituting the value of y in any of these equations, 1 or 2. Suppose I will substitute, let me continue here, y in 1, hence from 1, 2x plus 3y, y is 3, is 13, which implies 2x plus 9 is 13, which means 2x is 13 minus 9, so 2x is 4, which means hence x equal to 4 by 2, which is equal to 2. So we got the value of y, x and y both. So that is your solution. Now you can ask that why I have taken x and not y. Actually there is no hard and fast rule that you have to take x or you have to take y. I have taken x here just for convenience. You can take y also, it does not matter. The thing is to make the coefficients of one of the variables equal. Here I made the coefficient of x equal in both the equations so that I can subtract them and eliminate the variable x. Then I will get the value of y, and then by substitution I get the value of x. So you can do the same by making the variable of y similar also, equal also, then get the value of x, then substitute it and get the value of y. So both will work. So that is the method of elimination, where you make the coefficients of one of the variable equal in both the equations and then eliminate that variable either by subtracting or adding and then getting the value of the other variable, then substitute the other variable in the one of the equations. You can substitute in 1 or 2 and get the solution like here. So x is y, or x and y is 2 and 3. That is the final solution. Now here I have given some more examples. Equation, the first problem is this one, I have solved it. The second equation, 3x plus 2y is 11, 5x minus 2y is 13. So what is so special? What is special about this problem? There is nothing special, just a use case that you might come across. Here you can notice one thing, that 3x plus 2y is 11 and 5x minus 2y is 13. So notice that the coefficients of y is equal in both the equations. Okay, so you don't have to take the step of multiplying the equations by any number like I have done here. So you can directly add the two equations, because in that case the y will be eliminated, plus 2y minus 2y. If you add them, you don't have to subtract. You can add and get the variable y eliminated, then substitute for, then find the value of x and then ultimately y. So this way you can solve the equation. You don't have to multiply by any number. And In this case, the third problem, you can see the coefficient of x is 1 here and coefficient of x is 3 here. So if you multiply the equation 1 by 3, then you get 3x plus 3 into 2y, 3 into 7. So in that case, you get 3x and 3x. You don't have to multiply the second equation by any number. You can multiply just one equation by number and then subtract the equations to eliminate x. So these are different use cases and you can solve them, these two equations, yourself. So the point is, in elimination method, first you have to make the coefficients of one of the variables equal, then either subtract the two equations or add the two equations to eliminate one variable, and then substitute find the value of the other variable, then substitute that variable in one of the equations, then get the value of the two variables like this. And you can attempt these solutions yourself.